We are really excited to celebrate the 9th annual Symposium for the Advanced Summer Program in Research, or ASPiRe. One of the things we take great pride at the DeMatteis School at Hofstra is that we provide research opportunity to undergraduate students. As you know, at Tier 1 research universities, these opportunities are only afforded for postdoctoral fellows, PhD students, or sometimes to master's students. So this is really incredible opportunity for undergraduates.
So our research was focused on the application of 3D scanning technology. We wanted to scan complex models that are currently difficult to capture using traditional methods.
We use eye tracking technology to evaluate students' attention, learning, and competency development.
I use shear stress in a microfluidic platform to induce fluid flow and control the lumen diameter of the vessels.
I was testing to see if there's any difference in cell density on rat endothelial cells if they were exposed to shear or electrical stimuli.
I work on decarbonizing concrete and mortar mixes.
Knowledge distillation. It's meant for AI models to be able to reduce in size so that we can get them working in smaller little computers that don't have quite as much storage.
I worked with the Delta robot, which is an autonomous robot for inspecting wounds, mainly inspecting if there's still bleeding in the wound, if there's an infection in the wound, and it's also able to close a wound.
My favorite moment was, I think, realizing that I was working on something so important that not many people knew about and not many people could also really talk about.
Finally putting together the presentation and realizing I really did all the research and finally got accurate answers. This program definitely taught me that I am capable as a woman in STEM, that I can do my own research.
I definitely think it was helpful to kind of get an understanding of how a laboratory environment works.
I got to learn more about technology and data analysis.
And how to work with a team in a professional environment.
About the importance of time management.
This was actually one of my first times working on a project that was aligned with my passions. I became a little bit more comfortable talking about more technical concepts.
So I would definitely recommend this program to any undergrad.
Rather than just academic learning, I would say it gives a lot more hands-on experiential learning.
You learn how to apply that learning and you go even beyond that.
It's really a great way to expose yourself to a field that you may be interested in.
It definitely teaches you a lot about professionalism and work etiquette. It gives you a sense of pride in the research that you've done.
Really put yourself out there and make the most of this experience, because it's not every day you get to work in a high-intensive lab setting with all these fantastic researchers on your team as well.
And this has helped several of them to decide to pursue doctoral degrees later on as a result of their participation in the program. The program also enables the students to continue the research during the academic year, usually earn credit for an honors thesis, and use that as a stepping stone to be able to go to an international conference or publish their finding with their faculty mentor. That's a very nice achievement to have as an undergraduate, and tremendously has helped our students to get into PhD programs with full scholarships, to attend medical school, or to go to various other professional programs.
We're planning to go to the BMES conference in October to present our findings at a symposium. We're also looking to publish our paper soon.
This research also helped me to know what I want to work on in the future.
I think that it's really important for students not to get so much whiplash when coming out of college, because I'd have to imagine it's quite the dramatic change. It gave me an opportunity to get used to that sort of environment, so I'm actually really grateful for that, because I think it'll help me in the future.
I'm starting my PhD in the spring because I'm graduating, and I imagine I'll have to do this workflow when I'm there. This experience and this workflow definitely made me more of a competitive candidate for graduate school.
And it's all becomes possible because of the generous donors we have. Generous donors are usually our alumni, or people on our advisory board, and I'm really grateful to them, and I really encourage the donors to come and listen to these students and experience firsthand the remarkable achievement an undergraduate is able to have by just focusing on a research question.